So there's two types of information. So basically, there's a quantitative data, which is the numbers, like how much did light in the sample like they absorbs, and like how we use that to find the concentration. And the next one is the qualitative, so it's what's like what it looks like, so like the shape and the pattern of the absorbance changes.
Okay, good job. And then I gave my group like the two examples that I did come up with for why we should scan across all wavelengths are one I gave them was to find the landmax, I think that's what it's called, because I said so we know which color of light gives the best reading, because obviously I'm referring back to our last lab. And then the second one I told my group mates was to tell the substance apart. I noticed that because reading different things have different landmax values, which gave us different numbers and shown what it looks like from the color of what we know. And then I told them that I think our values of the Beer-Lambert law, I think that's what it's called, was, I know it was what, A equals EBC. And I said that A, because it equals absorbance, obviously. And that's like how much light the liquid like soaks up, I guess. Yeah. And then E, I said that gives how strongly the liquid absorbs light, which I say it reminds me of a constant. And then B, I said that the length the light travels, and what was that in our notebook, it was 1 centimeter, so that's what I said why the B is. And then C, obviously that's the concentration, and that gives how much stuff is in our liquid to begin with. And one thing that I did see was saying the relationship between what? The absorbance and what? Concentration. And I told my lab mates it was basically the more stuff in a liquid and the more light it soaks up, they change together like a straight line, like we seen in our, what is it? Is our spectrometer, but it was graphing, our graphing thing. And it's literally basically concentration over absorbance, because since concentration is the more stuff you add in a liquid, and the absorbance is the more light it soaks up, it absorbs it, and together they create either a straight line, a curved line, etc., which we'll see is a straight line. For us personally.
So basically what we do before we test the sample is to first chill the spectrum.